Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to walk you through a quick and easy way to add a table to your Wix website in 2025. By the end of this tutorial, you'll not only know how to insert a table, but also how to manage, expand, and customize it, so your site will look more professional and organized for your visitors. If you've ever wanted to display information neatly, whether it's a price list, a schedule, or any kind of data, this is the tool for you. Alright, let's dive right in. So you're looking at your Wix site and you notice an empty spot that would really benefit from a nicely laid out table. First things first, let's add one. What you want to do is head over to the Add Element button. Usually you'll find this on the left-hand side of your Wix editor. It's a little plus sign and it's your gateway to all sorts of useful elements. Go ahead and click that. Once you're in the Add panel, type Tables into the search bar at the top. Wix has made it super simple to find exactly what you're looking for, so just type tables and it'll instantly filter through all the available items. A list of table options should pop up right away. If you don't see it, don't worry, it may take a few seconds to load or you might need to scroll just a little further. Next, click on Tables in the search results. You'll see a selection of table designs and styles that Wix offers. Take a moment here, don't rush. Think about your website's overall look and feel and select the table design that fits best. For example, if you're showcasing product features, maybe a minimal table works great. If it's a class schedule for school, a table with color coding could be perfect. Select the one that visually matches what you're aiming for and then drag it right into the empty space on your site. You'll feel it snap into place, and that's when you know it's ready to be customized. Now you'll want to manage the table to fit your site's specific needs. Click Manage Table. It's usually a button that pops up right above or beside your new table. This is your main dashboard for editing the table's contents. Here you can add more rows or columns if you need extra space for your information. Say you're making a chart for weekly specials, just add a column for each day and a row for each special. Don't be afraid to experiment. You can always undo or adjust later if you change your mind. If you're looking to make your table bigger so everything is easier to read, you'll want to expand it. Over in the Inspector pane, usually on the right-hand side, find the Expand option. This lets you stretch the table out, making sure all your content is fully visible and nothing gets squished. It's kind of like resizing a spreadsheet to fit more information. If you have lots of data, take advantage of this so your site visitors don't have to squint or scroll awkwardly. But the real magic happens in customization. Wix gives you plenty of control here. Play around with the colors, borders, fonts, and even the alignment. Customizing the table lets you make it blend seamlessly with your website's brand and style. Maybe you match your headers to your logo's color or adjust the font so everything looks unified. These small touches help your table stand out and make your information easy to digest for viewers. And that's it. Adding a table in Wix is straightforward, but the options you have for managing and customizing it really let you make your website your own. Don't worry if it takes a few extra clicks to get it looking just right. The time you spend here will absolutely pay off in clarity and professionalism. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or run into any hiccups, just leave a comment below. I always check them and I'm happy to help. And don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials to make your website amazing. See you next time.